Gustuhan mo na. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. You like it na. Hold for this one. Hold. What is this? What is this? Carry. Carry the chair. Carry. Next one. Oh, very good. Hello. Hello, mommy. Hello, daddy. Cool. This one. Pull. Pull. Pull the chair. Pull. Next. Text. Text. More. Text. Next. Throw. Throw the ball. Throw. Throw. Next one. Sing. Very good. Sing. Next. Wipe. Wipe. Wipe the table. Wipe. Next one. Drink. Drink water. You want water, right? Drink water. Sleep. Sleep time. Next one. Cut. Take a bath. Very good. Take your bath. Next. Brush your teeth. Put it properly. Brush teeth. Brush teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush. Next one. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Next. Right. Right. This one. Comb. Very good. Comb your hair. Comb. It's so properly. Okay. Next one. Look. 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 Next. What is this? Eat. Very good. Eat. Eat. Next. Jump. Jump. Jumping. Jump. Jump. What's that? Push. Push. Kick. Kick. Kick the ball. Kick. Next one. Walk. Next. What's that? What is this? Open. Can you follow the duck? Open and hold my duck. Put it inside the mouth of the duck, huh? Put it inside the duck, okay? Hold. What is this? What is this? Butter. What is this? Butter inside. Yum, 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 yum. Next, how about this one? Very good. Bread. Yum, yum. Yummy. What is this? Nail. Nail. Put it inside. How about this one? It's okay. Put it inside. Inside. Oh, next. This one. Hammer. Hammer. Put it inside. Next. What is this? Cake. Very good. Put it inside. Oh, do not remove. Oh, do not remove. Put inside. Cake. Duck. Duck. Anong gagawin? What are you gonna do? Put it inside. Put inside the duck. Yummy. Oh, you put cake. Put the cake inside the duck. Cake. Okay, very good. Next one. How about this? Oh, this one na. This. Candles. Candles. Next one. Very good. How about this? Right on. Next one. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Next. Look. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Toothbrush. Next one. Basket. Next one. Ball. Basketball. Oh, you put it here. Insert. Basketball. Next. Television. TV. Next. Remote. How about this one? Table and chair. Next one. Paper and pencil. Next one. What is this? Flower and very good, butterfly. How about this one? Umbrella and boots. Rain boots. Next one. Shoes and what's that? Socks. How about this? Lock. Wipe. Lock and last one. Okay, very good insert. Thank you. Yum. High five. Very good. You like it now?
Next one. The scissors and knives are for. Is it your slide?
Drum.
Okay, good job. Next one. The shoes, slippers, and boots
Like it na, ate?
The shoes, slippers, and rainbows are all for.
Alligator.
Mixing or
Say hi, alligator. Oh, dali. Massage your teacher. Alligator.
The handsaw and measuring tape are all for. Is it for building or riding? Are you sure? Okay, very good. That is for building. Next one. The paint and paintbrushes are all for. Is it for drinking or painting? Painting.
Sarap ba, ate? Sarap ba? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Tap. Ball. Big black ball. Tap the ball. Tap. How about hug? Hug the ball. Want to jump? Tap. Tap with ball. It's okay, hug mo lang, oh. Hug, tap. Okay, bounce. Ball. See, it's okay. Tappy, 1, 2, 3. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yay! Big ball. Bounce, bounce, bounce. It's okay. Bounce, 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 bounce. Okay, I'll give mo na si teacher na high five. Oh, high five na si teacher.
Why do you say so?
High five. Ate. High five. Oh, see, you like it naman eh. Bounce, bounce. Hug the ball. Hug the ball. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Very good.